In Africa's fast-growing economy, every day a project delays, productivity is lost. Engineers, architects, factory owners, cold storage entrepreneurs, we heard you. Introducing Shamrock Panels, high-performance sandwich panels for your roofing and cladding, manufactured right here in Ghana to international standards. Build faster with fewer hands on site, cooler buildings with lower power bill, better protection against fire outbreaks. 3 days, that's all we need to manufacture your panels to your specification. And if you want, we deliver in Ghana and beyond. No long shipping time, no heavy-duty import costs, no demurrage, just speed, precision, and reliability. Call us. We're ready when you are. Shamrock Panels, build faster, move forward.